Hey people, this is Airsoft Boy 2002. If you've noticed, guess what? I'm not going to be doing my reviews on my pistol. Well, I will in the future, but not right now because I have another sidearm I like to use. She's been compassionate to me when I was in a war with it. She's been pretty good. Never failed on me. Was never bad. She still works today. This is my, I don't know the name of it. This, I'm going to say, is my dad's and mine shotgun. Still works. Got, the hop up, if you can see, right here. Press the hop up, you can push it forward. And for some reason, my gun, look at that, my gun, it leans. It's supposed to go straight. Mine leans. This button ejects the clip. You can put it in an you can put this clip in an L96 sniper rifle gun. You can put it in a hold on, I'm trying to remember. You can put it in a that one sniper rifle that looks like the L96. I don't know what that is, but something just fell off my desk. My dad's desk. Where I did my reviews. This one you gotta really bang to get that thing in there. But I've used it a couple times in a war. With HAVZ, which is no AVH. Humans, airsoft humans versus zombies. It's kind of like similar to Nerf HVZ, but this is airsoft HVZ, which is airsoft humans versus zombies. Matter of fact, I'm a human. A couple of my friends I know are zombies. I don't know why they chose that team, but they're zombies. Last week I was playing a game, and my friend showed up at a game. Told me, well, we're going to a game, so you want to come? I said no, because I couldn't remember where I put my shotgun, so. Hey, sling mounts. See sling mounts? It's got a nice grip. The safety is right. Hold on. Right here. Right here where my finger is. It's right above the trigger, so when you go into fire, and you're in battle, switch it up to safe. That way when the guy calls, where he goes, good, or he blows his whistle, my team, what we have to do is, they tell us we gotta put our guns, the guns have to be aimed down like this on safety. And if they're not on safety, he'll go around trying to squeeze the trigger, and if they're not on safety, you get taken out for one game, and you can't come, and you don't get to play in that one match. That's why I always have my guns on safety. Now, a couple of my friends down here didn't have one of his safeties on, and it was his pistol, and he kind of got out of a match, but it wasn't a match, it was in between a match, because it was just a pistol. If it was fully automatic, you get the full match out. That's why I don't carry fully automatic. I used to have a fully automatic airsoft gun, but my brother broke it. because he was playing with it, and I told him not to play with it, and guess what he did? He played with it. Alright, people, that was my... Oh, by the way, I'll show you a bigger picture of the shotgun, that way you can get the full version of the shotgun. You can tell me what this shotgun's called, then I'll subscribe to you, I'll comment, and I'll rate to you. So, but if you can't find out what this shotgun is, I'll still subscribe to you. But thanks for helping me out if you do tell me what the name of this shotgun is. So, peace out, YouTube.